Smooth band hack. So sometimes people look at our finishing and feel like, oh, they can't do it. That's why I want to tell you this secret today. Okay, so first of all, this is a Duchess material and it's on a flayed trouser. Okay, that trouser is not palazzo. Most of us don't know the difference between a flayed trouser and a palazzo trouser. This is a flayed trouser. It's not palazzo. Okay, so the top is a cut together top, and then this where I want to concentrate on is on the band. Okay, so many people fix elastic and your elastic band does not come out this smooth. Can you see? No ruffles, no squeezes, just very smooth. Now, for you to use this particular type of elastic band that I'm going to be showing you, there is going to be a zip at the back. Okay, you can actually like to put your zip at the back or at the side, but this particular zip is at the back, the center back. The reason why I'm going to put zip is that this elastic band is not that elastic. It doesn't really stretch that far. Okay, but the only thing this elastic band will be doing for you is that when you wear it, it will clasp the waist. It will hug the waist. It will snatch the waist. That is the reason for this particular band. A lot of people don't know about it, but we in the ready-to-wear business, we don't joke with this band. We don't joke with this elastic band because it gives your waist exactly what you want. So instead of me sewing a jumpsuit that I need to put a band at the waist, and then I sew elastic, and then I'm struggling with how to place my band, I could just attach this elastic band the way I'm going to be showing you. So this band is a 4 inches band. It's actually not new, but a lot of people don't know about it. Okay, remember what I said in the beginning. This band does not stretch much. It doesn't stretch much. It doesn't stretch much. It's just stretched a little just to be able to snatch the waist. Okay, so when you are fixing it, you don't fix it like your regular elastic band that stretches that far. The next slide that will be coming up is showing us this particular elastic band. Now there's one secret about this band. When you want to fix it, your half length shouldn't be now on exactly your waist. You are going to come up by 1 inch from your half length. Okay, so if your half length is 16, make it 15 or 14 and a half. Do you understand? Reason being, you are going to see the reason when I upload, when you see my own video of the elastic, you will now understand. So the elastic is going to be fixed on a single line and just allowed to fall on your fabric. So I'm going to be showing you this elastic. When you get to the market, just tell them you are looking for elastic band. Elastic band. It comes in various colors. It comes in various beautiful colors. So you can just go out there and choose the one you want. Though the color doesn't really matter. The reason why the color doesn't matter is because it's actually going to be inside your fabric. It's not going to be showing outside. So what you do is that you lay your fabric very tightly on this part. Lay it, use your fabric to wrap it and then stitch. Okay, use your fabric to wrap it properly and then you stitch. Now this elastic is very thick, so the thickness makes you not to have you don't really need to line your own fabric with maybe stay or whatever. Okay, and then this fabric, this elastic works perfectly well with mostly stretchy fabric, but you can go for just any fabric. But I like using it for stretchy fabric. Most times these stretchy fabrics comes in beautiful colors that I do not want to change the pattern. Maybe I want to make the to sew, maybe it has a stripe that I don't want to change the pattern of the stripe, so I don't want my fabric to have that center line, that half length line. Okay, so I'll just cut my fabric straight like that down, and then attach this, use my fabric to pipe, or use my fabric to wrap this band, and then attach it on wherever I choose to be my half length. Do you understand? If you do it this way, your beauty.
Okay, my people, good evening. Okay, my people, good evening. So, I want to bring to your notice another method of adding elastic to your sewing. So this is a gown. You can see the kind of sleeve I use is cut together. Then the neck, you can see is a built up neckline. Okay. So, but where I want to concentrate on is the waistline. Where I want to concentrate. Okay. So, on a second look, when this person is wearing this clothes, you will think that it's top and skirt is a two-piece, but it's actually not two-piece. It's a flare gown, though the down part of the gown is pleated. Okay. Okay. So, um, I want us to see this elastic, the way I fixed this elastic. Now, I joined the upper part and the down part. Can you see? I joined the upper part and the down part. Now, this is how I joined my elastic. Can you see? So, the elastic I used is bail. I hardly use anything new one in my sewing. Okay, so it's bail, so it's kind of thicker. Okay, it's kind of thicker. Who is that? No. I want this to- Raise it up small. It's okay.